Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Mr. Book and Me.
Today, we're going to meet our friend, a super colorful cow.
Hello, little artists. I can't wait to see how you draw me.
Let's get started. First, we'll draw an oval shape.
That's my muzzle.
Add the nostrils.
Help me breathe and smell all the yummy grass.
That's right. Draw a big smiley mouth. Hey! Draw the face and forehead. Time to add friendly eyes.
I see green fields and all my friends.
Haha! Draw ears on both sides of the head.
Perfect. I can hear everything.
Aw! Let's draw 2 horns on top of the head.
Wow, I love my rainbow-colored horns.
And a bell around the neck.
Ding dong. It helps my friends find me.
Ho-ho! Draw the body. Add some multicolored spots all over the body.
Aha! I want to be the most colorful cow ever.
Draw strong legs.
These legs help me run and play in the fields.
Let's draw the udder underneath the body.
This is where I keep my yummy and healthy milk.
Let's draw a long tail with a tuft at the end.
My tail helps me swat flies. Look, a little bird sitting on my back. Can you draw it?
Ooh, let's draw the cute little bird. Ho-ho! Time to draw some grass for you to eat.
Aha! Yummy! They make me very strong.
Draw the lines darker to make the cow stand out. Now get ready for the fun part, color time.
Pink.
Can you tell us about your home?
I live in a barn with other cows.
Blue.
What sound do cows make? Hey!
Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Indigo.
Yellow bell.
Violet.
We give yummy milk.
That's right. We can drink, make ice cream, and even cheese with milk.
Aha!
Green.
colorful cow with a bird friend.
Wow, kids! Thank you for making me.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time!